Hello, my name's Danny. Welcome to Unique Property Company. We are at a super slick loft, I would like to say. It's officially live work. Used to be an art gallery, now is used as a location shoot space for many high-end productions. Come on in.